Massive landslide that swept away almost the entire mountain road. It looks like water is coming from that tree, but it is from insects residing on that tree. Appears exactly like a dry stick, margin-winged stick insect. Unusual reaction of fish jumping in the water of a canal during rainstorm. Grasshopper laying eggs in the soil, unbelievable. Large empty boat swept away in floodwater crushed under the dam gate. Bubbles of oxygen releasing from the underwater plant. Evaporation of water within seconds when poured on iron rods due to extreme hot weather. Effective tornado on the outer structure of a factory shed.